Hey folks, got my Mountain Dew already this morning. It's early this morning right now. Gonna do some drifting in an area that I usually catch quite a few fish in. Again, they're not monsters, but there could be a decent fish in the area. Fish finders going off like crazy again. This place is covered with Asian carp. They're just everywhere. I'm putting chicken on this one, tangling with catfish rod, Recon 10 Cast King reel. In the front is another tangling with catfish rod, identical to this one. And I have a Cast King Recon 20 up front. I'm only going to be able to run the camera on one rod because I'm drifting sideways again and I can't set it up to where we can see both rods. So I'm going to concentrate on the chicken. I have a large bluegill, a whole bluegill we catch up by the bank here. I've got several of them I've got caught. I've got it on the front rod. If I hook up with the front rod, I'm going to run back here with it and try to bring it in right here, and hopefully we're not going to get tangled up. I am in the Javelin today. It's a fiberglass boat. It's a 19-footer. I was supposed to bring another gentleman with me. He couldn't meet me here. Got a hold of me this morning, couldn't meet me here. I should have brought the aluminum boat. I love the little aluminum boat when I'm by myself, but I already had this here, so this is what I've got. It's a nice boat. When you get it out here, it's big. You can jump all over it. If you got more than one person, it's wonderful. I just don't like messing with a big boat. That little aluminum boat, you can throw it in here. You can pull it down the road 70 miles an hour. Just don't even know it's back there. And that's my favorite boat to fish out of. But I do have the Javelin today. It's an older boat. I don't know if you can see the carpet. It's gone. I've had this boat forever. This is a 96. I've had it forever. It's been a really good boat to me. The front rod sitting up there. I've had this boat forever. Like I said, it has been a wonderful catfish boat. There has been many huge catfish come in here. There has been many little catfish come in here. Well, like I said, we don't care. We're going for anything we can get today. But this is my baby. I've had this for, like I said, this is a 96. It's been through everything. You can look at it and see it's not in great shape. I did put some new seats in up there where we're sitting. But it works great. I just like the little aluminum boat a lot better when I'm by myself. But once I'm out here, I like this. We're hooked up, folks. I think we still got him. I think we got him. I think. I don't know. Can't tell if I still got him or not. I think I missed him. Feels awful heavy though. About to find out. I do have a big piece of chicken on here, but I didn't think it'd be that heavy. I think he's on here. He just ain't very big. Here he comes. Here he comes. He's bigger than I thought. He's bigger than I thought. Huh. Put my glove on. Come on, buddy. Slow down, buddy. Slow down. Oh, he's a jerk. He don't like me trying to grab him. He wasn't done fighting. I can't get a hold of him. Come here. You should have did this out in the water, buddy. Ah. Hold on, let me look down in here. Yeah, it's a little ways down in there, but I'm gonna get some pliers and we're gonna get it out. There he is. Chicken, yep, we all know. It's a good bait. Chicken is a great bait. Get you a pair of these. You can get right down in there And you can get them out. Just make sure that they're not way down in there where you're going to pull something out you're not supposed to. He's a flopping, and it's going to kill the fish. But he's good. He's not bleeding nowhere. Looks really good. He's going back. Got it. He ain't real big either, I don't think. Sometimes these fish, when they're that far out and you're out away from the bank in a boat, they don't know they're hooked until you get them up to the boat. But this one, I can feel him rolling. I don't think he's real big at all. Nah, he's not. Here he comes, right across the top. Might be able to crank him right in. Here he comes, folks. Oh, lost my chicken. I had it on there, but I lost it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Slow down, buddy. The old eagle claw right there. I think we got him hooked up too. That chicken. I ain't got a whole lot to say about it. This is the first year, the first summer I have ever used chicken. It works. It works. That's all I can say. It works. Now, I had a real good takedown while ago up front with my bluegill. I mean, it was a dandy. But he didn't get hooked up. So far, we ain't missed a hookup with this chicken. Ain't been big fish. This one's not either, but oh golly, you can catch fish on it. I'll show you what I'm using. Well, actually, you can see it right here because I still got it. There it is, folks. I can't explain it. They just eat it. Now, I might keep a couple of these eaters today at some point, but not right now. I'm actually gonna rehook this. Put it back out. Just went to Walmart, picked this up. This is what I'm using right now. This is what the fish are biting right now. But I want to show you something else. I also picked up some boneless chicken thighs. Now you can see the difference in them. You can see the color. I don't know if there's a difference in smell. I haven't used any of these ever. This is great. This I haven't used, but I can tell you the only reason I picked this up is because I was watching a Catfish Dave video. He used these. He caught fish. These are cheaper to buy than the breast. I'm going to try these at some point today. If I don't get the same reaction, I'm done with it. I don't want this up. There we go, folks. Yeah, I got him. Yep, he's on there. Feels about the same size. Ain't no big one. I had another takedown up front on bluegill. Wasn't near as big as that first takedown. I think that first takedown was a really good fish. I don't know what happened. I don't know why I didn't get hooked up with him, but I hate to change the chicken to both rods just for the fact that I think a bigger fish might come on the bluegill. I could be wrong. We may catch a 40 on this chicken. Hopefully we do. But we don't have a 40 right now, do we? Maybe a 4. Come here, buddy. There goes my chicken. He knocked my chicken off. Okay, he's not a 4 either. We're gonna go with a 2.5. We'll go 2.5 maybe. He's too big for me to keep. I've decided to keep a couple if we catch them. A couple like we did earlier, them smaller ones. Come on out of there. There we go. Oh, dadgummit. I hate dropping them like that. Come here. I cannot hang on to this fish. We'll try that. There he is, folks. I'm hooked up in the front. This is bluegill. This is bluegill. I don't know if it's a better fish or not. He's coming my way. He's coming hard. Oh, he may be off. I can't tell. No, he's still on. I think. I don't know. Sometimes it's so hard to tell. I can't tell. If he's on here, he's coming straight to me. And I mean straight to me. Yeah, he's on. He's on. He's on. He's on. All right. Let's see what we got here. Oh, a little better. A little better. A little better class. Little better class. Come on up. Come on up. There we go. Little better class, folks. I had faith in my bluegill. Oh, he ain't that big, but he's bigger. Bigger than the chicken fish so far. Come on over here. Camera good. I think we're good there. I think I'll turn you down just a tiny little bit here. Try that right there. See if I can get a hold of him. Maybe. Boy, that hook's in the wrong spot. That hook is in the wrong spot. I can't grab him without getting hooked there. Let me get my hold on. Let me get my cheaters. The old boga grip. All right. There it comes. There it comes. See that hook? The hook's right down in his lower lip, right in the middle. I didn't really want to grab him there because I've done that before, and that for sure ain't fun. Let's get that hook out of there. We'll go from there. All right. Now let's try the old glove. There he is, folks. A little bit better fish. Still not what we're looking for, but he's a little better. All right. Oh, crap. Hooked up, folks. I fell on a boat. Yes, I did. Got hooked up on something down there I'm gonna move. The day I quit getting excited, I guess, is the day I quit fishing. Come on to me, buddy. Chicken, chicken. I'm gonna down it just a little bit. This one's pulling just a little bit. Not serious, but he is pulling. He's pulling. Get him up here and take a peek at him. Let's see what we got here. Hey, he's pulling a little harder than I thought. That's what we're looking for. Chicken! Chicken! Oh my gosh! I had no clue this fish was this big. Holy cow! Chicken! All right, definitely need my glove on this one, folks. I might ought to net this fish, I don't know. I see a lot of YouTubers just reach down and grab fish this size, but I've lost some doing that. I'm gonna try it though. And I lost him. Pulled right out. Pulled right out. I should have netted that fish. At least you got to see him, and so did I. He was a good one. He was a good one. Chicken! Oh, Mr. Chicken. Yeah, got a fish on there. I think. Yeah, I got him. He's coming to the boat like they all do, seems to be. Chicken again, chicken. Nothing like that other one was. That was my fault completely. I had just turned the camera on and stepped off this deck and turned around and I saw it. I don't know when he took it down, but it was laid over when I saw it. I don't know what I tripped on, but whoa, about went out of the boat. Yeah, a tiny bit of weight to this one, not a lot. There he is. Hold on now. I'm definitely just going to grab my glove. We lose this fish, we lose it. Come here. Come on in. Dadgummit. I ain't doing very good on hanging on fish today. There we go. Let's see. He, well, I see it right down there. Let me grab my pliers. I got them. Well, they're up front. That's where they're at. I'll be right back. Oh, chicken's eye, chicken's eye, chicken's eye. Chicken's eye's hooked up. Alright, I'm gonna bring him down through all this bimini top. I don't lose him. I'm on my way. Dadgummit. Hard to bring this through all that crap. Okay, we're hooked up on chicken thigh, folks. First catfish ever caught on chicken thighs. Boneless chicken thighs. The Recon 20 has not seen much action today, but he's hooked up now. You don't feel horrible? Not bad, he ain't bad. Well, here he comes the boat. I don't want to lose this one because I haven't got him in yet, so can't really say I've caught one on thighs yet. Like I said, I saw, you may get hooked up in this line, I don't know. I saw this done on YouTube, Catfish Dave to be exact. And I might be hooked on that. Oh, there he is. No, I'm not. Come on in, buddy. Turn her down just a little bit here. Oh. All right, time to get my glove on. Chicken thighs are cheaper than the chicken breast. I just want to make sure it's going to work as good. There we go. All right. You know what? I got my pliers right back here. Yeah, right here. We'll get in here and just snake this one right out of there. Chicken thighs, folks. Chicken thighs. Put another one on. Oh, chicken thigh in the front. Chicken thigh in the front. Chicken thigh in the front. Woo! Chicken thigh. Chicken thigh. I love you, Mr. Chicken Thigh. Looks like the chicken thigh is going to work just about as well, if not equally to, the chicken breast. I do believe Mr. Catfish Dave was right. Way out there. I said I'm going to edit some of this video, so we're going to get him up here real quick probably, because the next time you see he's going to be right here. I'm going to get the wife to edit it. This video is humongously long. Yeah, he's way out there on top. He is in my other line. Dirty dog, got my other line. Not good. Not good at all. Got two bobbers up here. All right, I'm gonna get rid of this mess and we'll throw him in. All right, here he is, folks. Now I get to fix this, but not while you're watching. I can't even get baited up. I gotta get this one out of the way. I don't want him to get hooked up in that. Don't want to step on my chicken thigh. Chicken thigh. Another one not too bad, folks. He ain't horrible. He's doing a little pulling. He's bigger than a pound. Turn you down just a little bit here. All right. I never dreamed chicken would be, or catfish I should say, would be drawn to chicken like this. I mean, should I throw my cast net away? I don't know. Just go buy Walmart out, buy me a big freezer, give me about 1,000 pounds of this stuff. Pretty good little fish. I bet he's, well, I ain't gonna say. He's gotta be 10 or 12. I mean, I think he is. Sometimes they fool you. We all know that. Get him up here and see if he pulls a little bit. He's not really pulled yet. That's the only thing. I feel some weight, but he's not really just tore up. There he is. There he comes. All right, buddy. He's probably 12. I'm just guessing. Ain't got him in yet. He might be 12. Get him in here and take a peek at him. Hold on now. Getting all wrapped up. Yeah. Let's see. Can I see it? Oh yeah, I can get it. My pliers are at the front. All right. Be right back. There he is, folks. Ladies and men. I think I called you fellas. Folks is what I meant. He's not bad. He's not bad. I don't think he's bleeding any. It was really deep, but I think he's going to be all right. I don't see where he's bleeding any, so. He's not bad. Not bad. All right. Hooked up. I was eating a sandwich. I don't know how long he's been on there. Did you guys see the takedown before I did? You probably did. I was not paying a lot of attention. Well, folks, I know I've said it over and over about this chicken, and I'll continue to say it. I am so amazed at what it's doing against cut baits, or for that matter, just about any other bait. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on there, Nelly. There he is, folks. Well, he left me my chicken. Just got to rehook it a little bit. We're going to put it back out. I don't know how he sucked that bait in. We're going to crank him right in. Wonder if he's a channel cat. Don't catch too many out here, but I do get him. Here he comes. No, he's a blue. He's a blue. He's a blue. There he is, folks. Back in. Oh, we're hooked up. Oh, chicken. There is no way I'm going to get all these fish on this video. I'm just going to have to start cutting some of them out. I don't know. I'll have to edit it when I get home. I've caught so many fish today. I've caught fish that's not on that video. I didn't even have it on. I ain't very good at editing. We'll get the wife to do it. That's the best deal. Here he comes across the top. Coming across the top. Chicken thigh, chicken thigh. Ah. There we go. Woo! Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh, he's up too. Oh, yeah. That feels like a little better fish. I know I've said that before, but he does feel a little better. Turning the boat a little bit, back and forth. But sometimes that don't take a lot either. Keep an eye on that front. Boy, we'll take a double. We will take a double. Again. This chicken breast is just killer, folks. I mean, it is killer. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I may have lost him. He's off. He's off. Oh, boy. Come on, baby. No. Oh. Oh, crap. I got one. I got one hooked up in the front. Hold the boat. No. Did I hit this sucker? I think I got him. Again, my sun hat. Oh, ain't got enough hair. My head burns. I was trying to get this. I was trying to bring this drift sock in. This is on a bluegill, by the way, folks. This is that big bluegill I put out. I don't know how big the fish is. He did pull the boat around pretty fast, but you know, a 15 pounder could do that. 5 pounder, whatever. Oh, he's in everything here. Holy cow. I thought he was way bigger than that, and he's all hooked up in my line again. Where's the planer boards when you need them? I'm gonna glove this one. If he comes off, he comes off. I don't want to dip my net in there and get all that tangled mess in my net. Ah! Let's get him unhooked first. See if we can get him out. Then we'll deal with the mess. Good gosh. Well, he's gone. He's gone, folks. Well, if they're done with it, if he's out of it, then I'm good no matter what, because it says from that post what you found, and if he's not going to argue that 20 foot. Oh, got a fish! Got a fish! Gotta go! Oh, got a fish! He took the chicken, folks. Ain't that something? I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm a chicken man, chicken man. Come on in there, bud. Oh my gosh. The bluegill's going down, folks. Oh, that might be a big fish. I got doubles, guys. I got doubles. I don't know if he's gonna stay on. He's still on right now. I'm gonna get this one up here. That might be a good fish up there, guys. Let's get this one up here. Trying to get it through all this bimini top I got here. See if I still got him, guys. I got him. He's not as big as I thought he was. He took that rod down like a big fish. I thought I had a 20 or bigger. I don't think he is now. Well, this is the bluegill. Coming. Doubles! I'm gonna try to get a picture of those two fish together right there and send it to my buddy who didn't make it today. If they come off, they come off. We got them this close. All right, folks, I got my glove back on. Let's get them off. Well, these eagle claws have really had good hookups today. Here's the first one. Come on in. All right. There he is, guys. Not too bad. Woo! All right, folks. We've had a great day today. Been my best day this year as far as catching numbers of fish. Just been unreal with the chicken. Just been unreal. But the bluegill did come around a little bit. Didn't compare to numbers though, and size. Chicken had the biggest fish up to the boat today. Until next time, rods down, people, rods down.